Hi everyone! Good morning! It's already 2:55 a.m. Tuesday, January 9. So, kamusta kayo? Kamusta kayo guys? Sa mga nanonood ng last upload ko, maraming salamat sa mga nagko-comment and patuloy na nagsasabing resonated sa kanila yung reading natin. Okay. So, for today guys, so meron akong bibigyan na isang subscribers kay Liluna ng reading. Okay, so ito yung request niya kasi. So this is a general reading, general messages, and general situation if you are in a soulmate and twin flame connection. Okay, so if you are in a question regarding on someone, whether it is a twin flame or a soulmate. So, maybe this reading is for you. Guys, please lang, ang reading po ni Leluna is Taglish po, okay? So, hindi naman totally English po kasi yung reading na ginagawa ko, kaya mas maiintindihan pa rin naman po siya. Okay, so disclaimer lang po ha, na, yung mga terms po na binabanggit ko is usually English, pero ano naman po siya, mababaw lang and madaling intindihin, okay? So, pagpasensyahan nyo na po kung yung iba is nagsasabi na nahihirapan silang maintindihan. Okay? So, welcome. Welcome sa inyo. So, nagsisage lang ako kasi dumating kanina yung isang deck na aking binili. Okay? For this reading. So, welcome guys sa inyo. Sa ibang gising na. Okay? Kasi mag-aalas 3 na ng madaling araw. Okay? So, meron lang tayong kaunting chikahan right now. So, kamusta kayo? Kamusta ang inyong New Year or January? I hope okay lang kayo. Pasensya na po kayo, hindi ako nakapag-upload ng kasunod agad nung last upload ko kasi na-busy po ako. Okay, pero eto na po yung upload na inaantay nyo. So, this reading right now na gagawin natin is messages and situation. So, titingnan natin kung makakapag-pull tayo ng tarot deck later, okay, after the oracle cards. Kasi unahin ko yung oracle cards, okay? So, kung sa tingin niyo is nasa twin flame journey kayo, or merong specific person kayong iniisip right now, na hindi ninyo maintindihan bakit parang may something na nagpupul sa inyo dito sa person na to, maybe ito nga yung reading na hinihintay nyo. So, titingnan natin. So, take what's resonate, guys. Please do reminder lamang na marami pong nanonood ng reading, kaya po pwedeng iba-iba po yung situation na ating ma-pick up, okay? So, take what's resonate and leave the rest, okay? Okay, first, I will pull a message of love oracle deck, okay? So, titingnan natin ano yung makikita nating situation ninyo, okay? Para sa aking mga nasa soulmate and twin flame journey. Okay, so this messages is if you are in a twin flame journey or soulmate, suspected soulmate, okay? First card, nag-flip na. So, Destiny card, struggling to find the right path. Okay, someone is confused. Okay, someone is confused right now on a situation. Okay, hindi mahanap yung kasagutan. So, pwedeng nanonood ka ng mga pick a card reading or mga tarot reader or reading right now para at umaasa na makukuha mo yung sagot na hinahanap mo. Okay? So, first card is Destiny. Second card is unexpected outcome. Things didn't go the way I planned. Okay. Someone here is nagulat or nabigla kasi hindi niya akalain na ganun yung magiging um, kakalabasan or mararamdaman niya sa other person. Maybe siguro sa umpisa, akala mo na this connection or this person is parang wala lang. Okay? Parang, alam mo yun, yung parang normal, normal connection with someone. Kasi, ano naman yun pwede naman mangyari yun normal lang yung connection mo with someone, so hindi mo akalain na this person has a deeper, meaning pala sa life mo or meron kayong deeper connection itong person na to. Okay, so someone realizes and maybe has an awakening that this someone is parang may something sa kanya. Or meron ditong person na nabigla nga and nagulat sa outcome. Okay, kasi siguro hindi niya inaasahan na ganun hindi yun yung plano niya. Siguro yung ba sa inyo, hindi plano na ma-in love dito sa someone na to or hindi plano na ma-fall ng sobra dito sa person na to. So, tingnan pa natin, guys. So, mamaya tingnan natin yung love messages na makukuha mo sa person na to na iniisip mo. Oops. Thank you. Escape. I left when things got hard. Uy. Someone here goes someone. Or natakot sa connection na meron dito sa person na to. Siguro, nakuha ko agad na maybe someone here is in a twin flame journey. Why? Kasi sabi ko nga sa inyo, if manonood kayo sa mga past upload ko, kapag nasa twin flame journey ka, ito yung journey na lahat ng trauma mo, within yourself is lalabas lahat yon. Kasi, parang kang nakasakay sa roller coaster kapag ka nasa twin flame ka. Why? Nagmi-mirror kasi kayo. Whether same kayo ng pinagdaanan, same kayo ng trauma, same kayo ng trigger. Okay. So, someone here, pwedeng feminine, yung lumayo dito, pwedeng yung feminine natin, yung natakot sa connection, or pwede rin yung masculine yung natakot sa connection. Kasi nga, hindi niya ine-expect na much deeper pa pala yung connection niya dito sa person na to. Kung sino man to. Okay. So, meron ditong nakikitang runner and chaser. Yes, meron ako nakikitang runner and chaser. So, tingnan pa natin, guys. Runner and chaser dynamic. Okay. So, tingnan pa natin, ha. Please give me more card. Lower your volume, guys. Baka malakas kasi yung dating nung sound sa inyo. Guys, marami pa kayong aabangan, ha. Kasi meron pa tayong mga paparating na deck na aking pinurchase. So, abangan ninyo, baka magpo-personal reading na tayo or meron tayong membership, exclusive reading, okay? Oops, thank you. Ooh. Next card is Secrets. I haven't told you everything. Meron ako nakuha dito, someone is Wearing a maskara. Okay. Meron ditong hindi nagtatapat ng totoong emosyon niya sa someone. O pwedeng nagkaroon ng disconnection and someone is hindi nasabi kung ano yung dapat na sinabi niya, na ganun na pala yung nararamdaman niya doon sa other person. Oo. Or maybe this is the person. Maybe merong disagreement dito sa inyong dalawa. Hindi nagkaintindihan. May disconnection. Meron ako nakikita dito, merong disconnection dito. Ganun talaga kapag nasa twin flame journey ka, guys. Kasi pwedeng matrigger nga yung past trauma mo. Kasi kakaiba ang pool kapag ka nasa soulmate or twin flame journey ka. Intense ang energy. Bibihira lang ang magkakaroon ng chance na magkaroon ng twin flame. Okay, sa lifetime. Next card is responsibility. I have to take care of my financial and emotional needs. Oh my God. Meron akong nakita dito na some of you guys, whether you are this person or this is the person na nakukuha natin ng energy. Someone here is a divorcee, okay, o divorciado, okay, or merong anak, okay, merong anak sa other, or maybe this is your husband if this is the energy na nakukuha natin. Someone is not ready. Okay, sa person na to. Kung ikaw man to ang hindi ready. Siguro, unexpected nga kasi eh. This is an unexpected meet-up. Unexpected connection. Okay? Siguro, nananahimik ka, meron kayong kanya-kanyang buhay, tapos biglang nakilala mo tong person na to, unexpected. This person caught your attention or this person, yung nakuha nyo yung pansin ng isa't isa. Okay? And maybe someone is nasa process ng divorce. It can be someone is nasa process ng divorce or kailangan intindihin pa yung mga personal personal needs niya, or someone is having a problem with his or her past relationship na kailangan ayusin pa. Pero talaga ako nakita dito na someone is kaka-divorce pa lang or ongoing in na divorce or merong personal issue pa. Okay? Meron din ako narinig na child support. Okay? Oops. Thank you. Next card is overwhelmed, stress out. The stress from this is draining me. Someone is overthinking about the situation. Okay, so malalaman natin mamaya bakit may nai-stress dito. Okay. Someone is overwhelmed maybe on a responsibility or pwedeng overwhelmed and stress out kasi hindi nakapagtapat dun sa other person. Hindi nasabi yung mga kailangang sabihin. Bigla na lang may disconnection. Bigla na lang hindi nagkaroon ng pag-uusap dito between the two of you. Oh my gosh. Someone is feeling lost right now. Confused. Clouded ang judgment. Maybe someone is confused whether someone nakadeal niya is soulmate ba niya talaga? Twin flame ba niya talaga? Or akala niya is masyado lang siyang nag-overthink. Maybe you are an air sign or this person is an air sign. Okay. Earth sign. Meron din akong narinig na earth sign and a water sign. Nay. So, tingnan pa natin. Kuha pa tayo ng 2 cards for message of love. So, tingnan pa natin. Oops. Ano sabi ko kanina? Confused. Confusion. Nakita niyo yun, tumalsik. Hindi ko yun inano. Confusion. I feel unclear about where we stand. Oh my God, there is a disconnection here. Biglaang disconnection. Biglaang maybe someone is ghost another person. Merong someone dito na bigla na lang hindi kinausap yung other person. Hindi na lang nakipag-communicate bigla o kaya ayaw na lang kausapin, biglang nag-iba yung demeanor, biglang nag-iba yung pakikitungo, nag-iba ang mood. Maybe nga kasi meron akong nakukuha dito guys ha. If this person is nag-iba ang demeanor sa inyo or way ng pakikipag-usap niya sa inyo, believe me, this person, ginagawa niya lang yon kasi maybe natatakot siya doon sa nararamdaman niya towards you or vice versa guys. Meron akong nakuha dito na basta biglaan na lang yung connections kasi ninyo. Basta biglaan nyo na lang naramdaman yon sa isa't isa. Okay? Someone here is overthinking about the other person. Kung hihintayin pa ba niya? Kung magme-message ba siya? And maybe someone is magugulat kasi may isa dito, either you, my viewer, or this person is gathering courage to confess sa'yo ng totoong nararamdaman niya. Pero meron ako nakikita dito na hindi pa kasi this person is busy. Okay, kaya to biglang nagkaroon ng disconnection between the two of you kasi meron tong inaayos sa buhay niya, whether a child support, a divorce, or a separation. Okay? Kuha pa tayo ng isang card. It can be my viewer is confused right now or overwhelmed, or this person is the one who is overwhelmed or confused. Nagdadalawang isip. Okay? Or nalilito. Oops, thank you. Time. I'm afraid it's too late to take action. Oh. And bottom of the deck is broken. I feel shattered about this connection. Oh my God. This energy is heavy, guys. Ha? Ako na nagsasabi. This energy is heavy. Okay? Someone feels or natatakot na baka too late na to take action, too late to talk to other person. Maybe ikaw to, my viewers or this person. Whether you are the feminine, my viewers, and this person is the masculine. So, take what's resonate. Vice versa kasi yan. Okay, so tingnan nga natin. Tingnan nga natin sa Lover Oracle. Message. Sa message, guys. Ano yung mga, ano ba to? Baka makita natin kung ano yung gusto niyang sabihin. Yung mga hindi niya nasabi sa'yo, kung ito ba yung person na may gustong sabihin or mag-confess, or ito yung nararamdaman mo dito sa person na to. So, titingnan natin. I hope ma-pick up natin. Angel, Spirit Guides, in Jesus' name, Lord. Please give me accurate messages for my viewers. Okay, so titingnan natin, ha? Okay. Again, lower your volume, guys. Oops. First card. Oh my God. Why do I feel so lost? Why do I feel so lost? Someone here is lost, struggling, finding the right path or the right action. Overwhelmed, confused. Whether may kipag-usap na ba siya dun sa person? Or magmo-move on na ba? Or sasabihin niya yung nararamdaman niya? Someone here is feeling lost. Meron ako nakikita dito na someone here is na-fall ng sobra dito sa person na to kasi hindi niya maintindihan yung connection na meron sila. Why do I feel so lost? Oh my God. Oops, thank you. I wish I could be a different person. Oh! Meron ako nakita dito. Maybe this person is married or in another connection or in a divorce or someone here is wishing maybe na sana iba yung sitwasyon nila or niya nung nakilala niya tong person na to. Maybe someone here is meron akong nakikita dito na may family, ha? For some of you, ha, guys. Hindi ko nilalahat. Yung iba sa inyo. Meron akong nakikita na wrong time. Mali ang timing. Kasi someone here is pwedeng may pamilya na or kasal na. Take what's resonate, guys. Maybe that is the secret na gustong ipagtapat ng someone dun sa other person. Na kaya siguro hindi, alam mo yon, kaya siguro hindi maituloy yung connection na meron kayo. Kasi naging, ito guys, merong someone, maybe if this is the person na kasal na siya, okay, and pumasok lang sa application or any dating site, meron na kasi ako narinig, guys, na ganon. Or bigla ang kanyang nakilala, hindi naman niya akalain kasi na magiging ganon yung outcome or yung mararamdaman niya. Okay? Hindi niya akalain na mapofall siya ng sobra. Yes. Siguro, nung umpisa akala niya parang laro-laro lang or hindi naman mapofall or anything. Siguro talagang gusto lang nitong person na to ng kausap. Meron kasing ganun, guys, nangyayari yon. Siguro gusto lang nito ng kausap and then ayan, nag-cross ang landas ninyo. Naging magkausap kayo. Hindi naman niya akalain na magiging ganyan ang outcome. Nakukuha nyo, guys? Kaya someone here is confused kung ano ba talaga yung meron sila nitong person na to. Kasi meron ako nakukuha dito Pwedeng walang title. Basta biglaan na lang nagkagustuhan or biglaan na lang naging sweet sa isa't isa. Meron akong nakikitang ganun. Ha? Oh my gosh. Tingnan pa natin. Guys, mag-comment kayo ha kung resonated sa inyo. I do appreciate yung mga nagko-comment. Meron akong nakukuha dito, someone, maybe the guy, o yung lalaki dito, or yung kung sino man, dito yung nasa family setup or gusto makipaghiwalay doon sa partner niya, kung sino man yung married dito. Yun ang yun ang nag-aalala kasi baka hindi na siya umabot. Natatakot siya na baka the time na maayos niya kung ano man yung inaayos niya, kaya kayo nagkaroon ng disconnection is wala ka na or wala na tong person na to. Okay, I cry at night. Okay, so this is resonated on the overwhelmed card and confusion card. Someone here is overthinking. Meron ako nakuha na kung sino man yung masculine dito. Okay, or yung merong pamilya. Meron ako nakikita na this someone is overthinking. Okay, and crying at night. Okay. Guys, take what's resonate. Whether yung babae ang umiiyak or yung lalaki. Bottom of the deck, what is it that you love me? Bakit mo daw ba siya minahal? Oh my God. Tingnan pa natin guys. Oh, okay. May nag-flip na isa. I can't take it anymore. Oh my God, someone can't take it anymore. Hindi na kaya. Hindi na kaya mag-hold. Someone is ready to explode. Okay? Hindi na kayang mag-take pa. Mag-hold pa ng nararamdaman or mag-hold pa ng sasabihin. Someone is planning to confess on someone about the true situation, about the connection, about kung saan sila nag-i-stand. Guys, if you are the one who is waiting in this person because this person resolving his issue or her issues, kung ano man yung pinagdadaanan niya ngayon, maybe sa family niya or sa ex-husband or ex-wife niya, give this person time. Okay? Why? This person can't express himself or herself. Hindi niya alam kung paano niya sasabihin sa'yo. This person is planning, yes. Meron ako nakikita dito na nagpa-plan tong person na to. Oo. Kaso nga lang, pinag-iisipan pa niya, paano kakausapin? If this is the person na gustong mag-confess. Or if this is you, pinag-iisipan mo kung paano kakausapin tong person na to, paano may pag-reconnect sa kanya. Kuha pa tayo ng 4 cards. 4 messages pa, guys. Guys, ha? Sabihin nyo sa akin kung resonated sa inyo ha, I will appreciate yung messages ha. Messages ninyo. Kung kung resonated sa inyo yung ating napipick up, okay? Wait lang ha. Give me time. Ayusin ko lang yung aking candle. Okay. Maraming salamat sa patuloy na nanonood kay Leluna ha. Na-appreciate ko kayo guys. Kung meron kayong request na reading, welcome sa akin. Mag-send kayo ng request sa ating comment section guys. Okay. So, kuha pa tayo ng 4 cards. Oops, tumalon. I can't make a decision. Oh my gosh, someone here is nahihirapan magdesisyon. Uy, baka itong person na to is namimili. Siguro, meron akong nakuha guys na na situation na siguro mahal ka na nitong person na to or na-fall na tong person sa'yo. Kaso nga lang, and gusto niya nang makipaghiwalay dun sa partner niya, meron akong nakuhang ganon. Kaso lang, naawa siya dun sa anak niya. Kasi maybe may anak sila nitong person. Or kung sino man ang partner nitong person na to. May bata. May responsibility. Meron ako nakikitang ganyan, guys. Hindi makapag-decision tong person na to. Confused. Kasi, meron akong nakuha na ayaw niyang mag-desisyon. Kasi mamaya, baka pag ikaw ang pinili niya, tapos pumunta siya towards you, wala na pala siyang babalikan. Or, it's too late na pala. Siguro, hindi natin masisisi tong person na to. Siguro, nagiging sigurista lang siya. Oo, whether this is you, my viewers, or this is the person na nakakaramdam nito. Na hindi makapag-desisyon. Oo. Pupungan pa natin. Oops. 2 cards agad. I don't want to be alone. Oh, this person scared to be alone. Maybe this person has an abandonment issue. Whether ikaw to, my viewer, sorry, nasanay kasi ako sa pick a card. Or this is the person yung nakakaramdam. Ayaw nitong mag-isa. Hindi to, natatakot siyang mag-isa. Kaya siguro hindi siya makapag-decide. I can make a decision. Kasi mamaya, baka pagka ikaw ang pinili niya, hindi mo na siya tanggapin. Meron akong nakukuha for some of you, hindi alam nung partner niya yung about sa connection ninyo. I want out. This person is gusto nung kumawala dun sa maybe a marriage niya. Kasi nga, ikaw na yung mahal niya. Or, nag-escape siya, tumakbo siya guys. Nag-disconnect siya from you. Kasi masyadong heavy sa kanya yung emotions or yung connection. Masyado siyang na-overwhelm. Nasusundan niyo ba ako guys? Masyado siyang na-overwhelm. Kaya siya nag-step back dito sa connection. Kasi hindi naman niya ini-expect na ganun yung magiging outcome naman ninyong dalawa. Nakuha niyo? Hindi niya in-expect. Oh my God. I don't know who I am anymore. This person is literally confused. Very confused. Kuha pa tayo ng isang card. Naguguluhan tong person na to, guys. Kung sino man tong energy na to na nababasa natin, nakukuha natin. Naguguluhan to. Kasi sobrang dami nangyayari sa kanya ngayon. Masyado siyang natataranta, masyado siyang nape-pressured, na-overwhelm. Kaya nga nandito yung card ng escape and yung I want out. Resonated yan, escape and I want out. Kasi overwhelmed siya Overwhelmed siya sa sitwasyon or sa connection or sa nangyayari. Thank you. I want to be different. Two cards confirming that this person wish to be different. I wish I could be a different person. I want to be different. Guys, I have a tingling sensation. This person wish na sana iba yung situation niya nung magkakilala kayo. Maybe this person wish that sana hindi pa siya pamilyado. Okay? Kasi torn siya, guys. Nahihirapan tong magdesisyon. Torn kasi siya sa responsibility. Kasi nga, maybe this person is meron ng asawa at saka anak. Whether sinabi niya to sa'yo or hindi, siguro yun yung hindi niya sinasabi. Ngayon, alam nyo na, nalaman nyo na sa reading. This person is juggling or torn between two persons or two situation. Siguro, totoo naman, kung yung iba sa inyo nagtatanong kung minahal ba ako talaga nito, yes. Meron naman akong nakikita na yes. Kasi hindi to darating sa stage na confused na siya, nai-stress na siya, at wini-wish niya na iba yung situation sana nyo nung magkakilala kayo. Kung hindi ka nito minahal. Hindi na nito alam kung anong gagawin niya Hindi niya maintindihan bakit pamilyado na siya tapos bigla kanyang nakilala or vice versa. Hindi niya maintindihan. Ayun I'm struggling to find the right path. Hindi niya alam kung anong reason ba't kayo nagkakilala. Anong reason nitong connection na to. Bottom of the deck, I can't express myself. Hindi nito masabi sa'yo. Oh my God. I can't express myself and tingnan nyo guys yung kasunod na card. I have to let you go to find myself. Nababasa nyo ba? I have to let you go to find myself. Ayun na yun guys. I have to let you go to find myself. Hindi to nakipag-communicate sa'yo, biglang nagkaroon ng disconnection dito kasi nag-escape to. Someone is escaping on Yung situation kasi na-overwhelm siya. Hindi niya alam kung paano i-handle. Kumbaga nagkahalo-halo na yung pinagdadaanan niya at iniisip niya. Kailangan niya to deal with personal issues, whether gusto niya makipaghiwalay, siguro kaya na lang niya siguro pinakikisamahan yung asawa niya kasi may anak sila, naawa siya dun sa bata. Take what's resonate, guys. This person is crying over your situation. So, kuha tayo ng angel messages and love messages. So, kuha tayo. Kuha tayo, guys, ha. Ano po ang healing messages para sa aking mga viewers? Yun dapat po nilang marinig. Para kahit papano mais yung kanilang iniisip kung meron mang na-hurt dito. So, kuha tayo na 2 cards. Please give me 2 cards. Yung iba sa inyo nakukuha ko na this is a twin flame connection. And kakaunti lang yung nakita ko na soulmate. Oh. If this person come towards you and confess yung emotion niya, sabi dito, give your relationship a chance, work on your partnership. Yung iba sa inyo, ha, if still want this person, give your relationship a chance. Sobrang nasaktan yung feminine dito. Meron akong nakikita na sobrang nasaktan ng feminine. One card, please. Kuha tayo. Chemistry. Strong magnetic attraction. Confirming your connection with this person. Kaya yung iba sa inyo confused and naging confused din tong person na to eh. Kasi masyadong intense. Oops, thank you. O, di ba? Heart-to-heart conversation. Honestly, discuss your feelings with each other. Guys, hindi ko pinili yan. Oh. And bottom of the deck is, let your friends help you. Ask for and accept support from others. So, give your relationship a chance, work on your partnership, and heart-to-heart conversation. Honestly discuss your feelings with each other. So, ang sabi dito, walang masamang makipag-usap ka. If this person reconnects with you and want to talk to you, talk with this person. Baka kailangan ng closure. Guys, alam nyo, ang twin flame journey is a very painful situation. Kasi lahat ng triggers ninyo, kung meron man kayong abandonment issue, bibihira lang yung nagkakatuluyan na twin flame. Pero, pwede naman yun i-work out. Okay? I haven't told you everything and need a heart-to-heart conversation. Okay? So, kuha tayo ng 2 cards sa ating heart-shaped card. Kung ano yung advice pa sa inyo na dapat yung marinig, guys. So, kuha tayo. Oops! Uy, 3 to. Okay. First card. Life is a series of constantly shifting cycles. When we resist change, we resist the natural flow of life and create unnecessary stress. Go with the flow, you will be surprised where it leads. Oh my gosh. So go with the flow. Okay? Second card. Look deep within your heart and you will feel my love. My love for you is as deep as the ocean. Ano yung sinabi ko kanina? Mahal ka nitong person na to and alam niya kung ano yung connection. Kaya nga natatakot to eh. And dumating sa punto na kailangan niyang mamili between sa family niya and between sa'yo. Sabi niya, look deep within your heart and you will feel my love. My love for you is as deep as the ocean. Guys, ganun talaga. It is very painful. Twin flame journey, soulmate journey is a very painful cycle. Okay? Kahit i-research nyo pa siya. Okay? Look within your heart. And last card is, look inside yourself. Examine what is causing you to feel this way. Okay? Ramdam mo, meron akong nakuha dito guys na message na, alam nyo naman na mahal ka nitong person na to. Don't doubt, okay? If you are confused whether this person is totoo bang minahal ka or parang pinaglaruan ka lang, wag ka nang magtanong kasi alam mo naman yung sagot eh. At alam kong naramdaman nyo naman yun. Okay? Ang sabi dito, look inside yourself. Ano ba yung nagko-cause? Bakit ka nakakaramdam ng ganyan? Okay? Examine yourself. Look into yourself. Di ba? Whether kaya ka ba nakakaramdam ng ganyan is baka meron kang abandonment issue. Or kaya ka nakakaramdam ng ganyan is meron kang issue sa sarili mo na hindi mo lang ina-acknowledge. Ikaw nakakilala sa sarili mo eh. Okay? And bottom of the deck is healing. Healing. Imagine yourself and your beloved surrounded by light. Feel your relationship being healed this very moment. Okay, so guys, whether magkatuluyan man kayo nito, if this is your twin flame or this is your soulmate or not, ganun talaga eh. Okay. Pero kung ako sa inyo, kung ako kasi may free will naman, kung ako ang tatanungin, huwag sayangin ng oras. Okay. Kasi wala namang mawawala sa'yo. Kung meron kang mga bagay na hindi nasabi dito sa person na to, edi sabihin mo, wala namang mawawala eh. At least nasabi mo yung hinuhold mo sa sarili mo. 'Di ba? Walang masama rin mag-take risk. Wala rin namang mawawala sa iyo. Basta alam mo wala ka natatapakan na tao, walang masamang mag-take risk. Okay? Huwag sumama ang loob ninyo kung hindi nakikipag-communicate sa inyo tong person na 'to kasi this person is very stressed right now, naguguluhan. Meron siyang mga issues sa sarili niya ngayon na kailangan niyang ma-resolve kaya hindi 'to nakikipag-communicate sa inyo, guys. Okay. So, pupuwede sigurong mag-alok kayo ng help or kayo na mismo yung makipag-communicate dito sa person na 'to, magtanong. Kasi minsan kasi, 'di ba, ang tunay na pagmamahal is alam mo ako naniniwala ako, ang conditional love, kung kayo alam ninyo na pamilyado 'tong person na 'to, hindi niyo siya ipe-pressure na mamili between sa'yo or doon sa family or sa wife niya. Kasi ang unconditional love or totoong love is sacrifice yun, guys. Sacrifice. Okay? Doon mo malalaman na totoong nagmahal ka. If you are willing to sacrifice your happiness para dun sa person na yon, lalo na't alam mo kung may masasaktan. Okay, guys. So, I hope nag-resonate sa inyo yung reading natin. Okay? For soulmate and twin flame journey. Okay. So, maraming salamat, guys, kasi patuloy kayong nanonood, okay, ng ating reading kay Leluna. Na-appreciate ko po yung mga patuloy na nagko-comment and nanonood. And again, guys, this reading, soulmate and twin flame reading natin messages is from at Simple Irresistible. Okay, so maraming salamat po sa pag-request nitong topic and I hope nagustuhan nyo and nag-resonate sa inyo. If guys nag-resonate sa inyo, please do subscribe, leave a comment, and thumbs up, okay? Like this video. I really appreciate that. And kung meron man kayong other request pa na topic, feel free to comment below sa video kung meron kayong requested topic, okay? And sisikapin natin na magawa yung requested ninyo, okay? So, maraming salamat, guys. Magandang umaga sa inyo. Happy Tuesday sa inyong lahat. Happy New Year. Okay? So, individual zodiac sign and pick a card soon is mag-upload po tayo. Wait na lang po kayo, guys, ha? Maraming salamat. Bye!